Can't talk, I'm busy. 10 most iconic wheels of all time. Subaru Gold Wheels. Subi's gold wheels are trademark Subaru since their rallying domination in the 1990s. Since then, every rally fan, car lover, fanboy and yobbo have done all they can to make sure that their blue Impreza has gold wheels to go with it. Their colour scheme came from the 555 cigarette company. Even if your Impreza is only a 1.6 or anything but blue, people still try to get their hands on some gold wheels. It's a bit odd and cringy. BMW E30 Cross-Spoke. These cross-spoke alloys were an option on E30 BMWs. Their vintage look strikes back to the racing legends BMW had created before. They work hand in hand with the E30's retro design in spectacular fashion. They are sometimes confused to be BBS wheels of the same design, but nevertheless, these are some of the best wheels ever created. Audi RS4 B7. If the B7 Audi RS4 wasn't good enough, Audi spoiled us rotten with these wheels. These 7-spoke wheels made a simplistic design beautiful. They combined sporty fun with the under-the-radar stealth. The wheels became so popular over the years that they've become options on A3s, A4s, A5s and most of the range, making these wheels the most recognisable wheels out there. Ferrari F40. The holy grail of supercars. The Ferrari F40 was an absolute postal car, and boy did it have the wheels too. The F40 had centre lug nuts on all sides, a pin to keep them in place, and circular rivet things around them. They gave us an insight into racing technology in the 80s. These wheels have inspired many wheel companies to make retro looking wheels today. If only I knew a few of them. Lamborghini Gallardo. No one wanted the baby Lamborghini, but these stunners will make you change your mind. These 5-spoke monsters added the wild fizz which the body of the first gen Gallardo just lacked. Dare I say, they were the best Lambo wheels for years. Even the LP560 facelift had bonkers wheels. Lamborghini really likes to outdo themselves. Alfa Romeo 8C 5-spoke. These bad boys are a treat to the eyes. The circular design on these wheels combine individuality and beautiful design into one glorious package. Seen on the Barrera 8C, 4C, Giulia and Stelvio, the wheels haven't aged one bit. Best looking wheels, anyone? BMW M3 CSL. The E46 CSL was a car which gave you less, but you still got more. These lightweight shoes were made from magnesium, so that the car was lighter and better in the bends. They look terrific, I must say. It's no surprise that many M3 owners try to get their hands on them. They are a common sight for all the right reasons. Porsche 911 Fuchs. The 930 911 is one of the most iconic cars out there, and the same could be said about their wheels. Porsche guys, correct me if I'm wrong. Built by a company called Fuchs. They created a basic design which was just perfect for the Beetle, 911 Turbo. They have aged very well, and since have become an inspiration for designers such as Magnus Walker and Singer. VW Golf GTI Pirelli. The Mark 1 VW Golf GTI was one of the most groundbreaking cars of all time. It was the first hot hatchback ever made, so you could have a fun car even if you had kids. These wheels were odd, but they were masterpieces designed by tyre maker Pirelli. They were fancy but discreet. Spiker C8. Wheels that look like an airplane's propeller. The Spiker C8 was formed with enough function. Designed by the Dutch, who were probably high on some very special drug at the time, created these absolute beauties. They're full of style and heritage. It's sad to see that they're often overlooked.